Hi gorgeous! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are transform her red brown hair into a natural mushroom brown with a dark dimension hair color. She had to previously dye her hair warm dark wet brown several times as you guys see it because she didn't want to bleach it. But now she has finally decided to go for a bleaching hair color service. First, spray the K18 hair peptide prep with a bullet trigger. Make sure to shake it well before you use it. You don't need to rinse it out, just wait for 4 minutes, then spray the K18 hair mist. It helps prevent new damage during and after the service and give visual in just 4 minutes. So you are ready to begin on the bleach process. Let's prepare the lightening mixture. We are mixing blue container Matrix Light Master Powder Bleach with a 35 volume developer to lightening her hair first. Bleach density will be perfect for thicker and smoother like creamy texture. I'm ready to go. For this transformation, we are primarily using the teasylight technique with bleachy highlight for the crown area. Watch as I create a thin slice and tease its section a couple of times before apply bleach to the rest of the hair. Let's start work with me. Why choose the teasylight technique in this case? There are two big reasons to use this teasylight technique. Number one, allows for a second bleach session if we need it. It's common for Asian hair to not reach a level 8 yellow base in one session, especially on longer hair. This technique gives us more flexibility to re-bleach the ends if necessary. Number two, creative seamless blend. She wants a low maintenance and natural ashy dark blonde at the same time and look starting from her dark roots. So you will see a beautiful blend and natural transition very soon. Let's teasy and weaving together at the same time. That helps creating more dark depth between the blondes. And we will switch the technique to bleachy highlight, which is a weaving highlight, and apply the bleach from close to the scalp. It will help to brighten her roots and top part and blending really well too. Look at this, what I'm doing. Slightly switch the technique to the bleach highlights. Let me show you how to lighten her side. So for the side, teasylight technique up to the temple area. We will switch the technique to bleachy highlight, which is weaving highlight, and apply bleach from the close to the scalp. It will help to brighten her root and top part area and blend it really well. So look at what I'm doing, weaving highlight instead of teasing highlight. for brightening face framing effect. We will wrap the entire hair with a plastic drape to trap heat inside the foils, which helps accelerate the lightening process. Yes, and extra power, like on top of hair, will be also very helpful to trap the heat inside. We will definitely use the hair for 45 minutes on both sides. Get this. Almost ready to check up. Oh, after bleaching, look at this orange and slightly copper red tones, as you guys see it. To ensure even lightening, we must check that each section is fully saturated. It's easy to missing dark spot, especially on thick and dark hair. So we need to confirm all sections are lightening evenly and let it process at least 20 minutes more extra to reach the desired lift. Look at this beautiful warm yellow base with a dark dimension. I already feel so much better seeing the hair lightening and knowing that the hardest part is done. We are also using a vanilla purple shampoo, letting it penetrate well while massaging it into the wash out all the bleach. Shake it well and massaging gently. Then we apply Amica Bustier Brassy Purple Hair Mask to neutralize one tone instead of with bleachings. These products help hair slowly lightening up and remove all yellow and warm tones. I'm super duper proud of myself. Let's talk about hair color shortly. We are mixing two different color formula to blending from dark brown at the root to mushroom brown hair ends. For the root, 5A from Joico with a 6 volume, and for the rest of the hair, 7.22 intense beige blonde, and 6WB warm brown from yellow from Wella, and last color 6A from Joico, 1:1:2 ratio with a 0 volume. I love to share how I apply colormelt on my clients' hair. Stay with me, we're almost done with the SoHair transformations. Thank you for staying with me so far. We already can see dark mushroom hair color. It looks so dark, right? Excited to shampoo her hair. Finally, apply 1 to 3 pumps of the K18 hair pro mask, depending on the client's hair length and density. Apply it well with hands or a brush, then wait for 4 minutes. To detangle, add shine and repair the hair before styling. We will spray Aranco on Cloud Baobab Oil Repair, splash it on styler. This leave-on mask delivers shine, softness, and repair. The Baobab Oil Protein technology rebuilds the bone throughout the day, seals the cuticle, and keeps styling intact. I also love to add a little bit of the luxury K18 hair oil for extra shiny, and finish up with the Aranco Outer Space Flexible Hairspray. This spray doesn't make the hair crunchy or hard, it keeps it soft and smooth, making it perfect for beige wave. Look at this gorgeous mushroom brow with dark dimension with a wave. Before, her hair had an obvious dark black root, a brassy and red tone. And after 6-hour work with Sohea, her hair is completely transformed. I absolutely love natural mushroom brow with dark dimensions so much. It looks so shiny and smooth. If you enjoyed this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it.